Hey guys, back again with another one of our maintenance missions. I'm heading down to the mother wall at the moment. Today we're going to replace the excess rungs. Originally they were made out of galvanized threaded rod welded together, and I'm going to replace them for 12mm 316 stainless steel ones. No welds, no sharp edges, just one piece nicely glued in. Let's go. Just got to the bush wall. Still got a little bit to do. So they've been up for a while. There's 5 of them. I don't really like those sharp edges where the rope can snag on just in case of a fall. Also, I don't really like the rust because God knows what's happening in the inside there. They've done their job, but I think it's time to replace them for some stainless steel ones and make it safe again. And hopefully we can attract a few more climbers to climb on the mother wall. Have a look at this, guys. So I cut the first rung in half. What I'm doing here is I'm just winding this out. Hopefully I can get the other side as well. Easy enough. And then we'll carry on with those other 4. Pull them all out, drill them, and re-glue the next ones in the new ones, but I'll show you a bit later. I think this is super good enough. Oh, got a tip. Right, next one. Six more. Oh, the last fucking joke, eh? Come on. Oh, fuck yeah. One snipped off as well. Let's get a drink and get started on the drilling. I got those little grooves in here, and there's a point on it as well. So once they go into the epoxy is going to bite in the grooves and on the point, and it ain't going to come out anymore. Righto, the first one is set, pre-drilled it deep enough. I'm going to clean it out a bit later on my way down. That's basically how they're going to look. Nice. Bend down on one side so your foot won't slip out. Let's go. We go from there. Open this one up. We fill this one in later on. Check out these bad boys from above. They're pretty sweet. Got a good step there. You're in deep enough. Good job. I'm quite happy with the outcome. Got all of these new rungs in place, all glued solidly. It's a tiny little bit of spillage, but it's not too bad. I can clean it up later on once it's dried. It'll just chip off. Get our rope down, pack up, go home, have a cold beer. There it goes. It's us! Beautiful day in the gorge. Time well used. Like I said, maintenance only. Woo! New rungs are up. Here's the old ones, pretty munted. So I fixed up those excess rungs down at the end of the river wall a few weeks back, and just gonna have a look, tidy them up, make sure that everything is alright, remove the red tape, and yeah, get it open, ready to roll. The rungs, they're looking good. They are nice and solid, the glue is tight, and I'm just gonna clean up the spillage a little bit. For that I might just go up to the top one, start from the top and work my way down. Come on, real nice. It's all it needs. Get back down to the next one. Excellent. It's your own stuff. As if it's your own stuff. The new rungs are in, they're super solid. And now we can remove the tape and open them up for traffic. I think these are gonna last forever now. They're nice and smooth round edges, so nothing's ever gonna happen there. You can't cut your rope on them anymore. That's it. See you next time.